Alright guys, this is NJ here. We have a CPAT course preparation for the New Jersey Civil Service Firefighter CPAT. Here's Coach Lou, and he's going to walk through the course. I'm going to explain what's going on. Currently he has a 50-pound vest. The actual CPAT requires 40, but we like to go a little heavier here to condition the body for the actual weight. Alright, he's also has a 2.5-inch hose, a supply line. Weighs about 55 pounds. He's gonna go over one shoulder across the chest, and on the command ready go, he's gonna go ahead and start walking 75 feet from this line all the way between the cones and proceed. And I'll explain the course as it goes. Anyway, hey Louis, you ready? All right, here we go. Ready? And go. All right, so he's walking fast. You're not allowed to run at the CPAT, so you can do a walk, a fast brisk walk. All right, from here he's going to fire hydrant that has 2 outlets. He's going to take the hydrant clamp loosely from one to the next. Okay, he's going to proceed to the K12 saw. He's going to grab the K12 saw, weighs about 30 pounds. He's going to carry it 37.5 feet around the right side of the cone and return it back exactly where it goes. From here, he's going to go to the pulley raise, simulating a ladder fly. And he's gonna raise 45 pounds. The actual CPAT has 42. We have a little heavier here, of course, condition. He's gonna put it down. He's gonna start going to the high rise pack that weighs about 50 pounds. Again, brisk walk. He's gonna strap it and start going up and down. So again, this is the most important part of the whole exam. You wanna touch both feet on the floor, on both ends, and keep going back and forth 12 times total. This is 4 coming up. This is 5. You can use the railings to help you. This is the maker or breaker. This is 6 coming up. We're halfway done, Louis. This is very important to condition those legs for this specific exercise. Again, you're wearing a 50-pound vest here, 50-pound bag. It's a little heavier than the actual CPAT.
This is the last one, right?
I believe you got one more, Louis. All right, so you have to do 12 cycles. As you're climbing down, you want to start removing that bag. We got a lot more tips and tricks. But you want to put it down. You're gonna go to 1 3/4 hose now. Weighs about 50 pounds. He's gonna drape it over his shoulder and walk 62.5 feet on the vertical stanchion. There's different methods of doing this. You could fling it, you could go up nice and high. Sometimes you're successful, sometimes you're not. So he's going back. Now he's gonna have to grab the fire extinguisher. Now we have a 45-pound kettlebell simulating a 40-pound fire extinguisher, always going heavier. All right, walking 50 feet around the right side, and we're going back. And now, once he puts that kettlebell back where it belongs, he's gonna grab the 165-pound mannequin by the straps, and we're gonna drag him 36 pounds. I'm sorry, 165 pounds, 50 feet. Both feet have to pass the line, and then he can drop it. Now we have a 55-pound ball simulating a 50-pound debris box. Carrying that ball 37.5 feet, going around. Once we drop the ball back to where it belongs, we're walking 10 feet, and that completes the test, guys. How you feeling, Louis? All right. So again, guys, if you know anybody who's taking the New Jersey Civil Service Firefighter CPAT, here at HIIT North Arlington, we do have the course, slightly heavier weight, just to condition the body for the actual test. So when it comes to game day, you guys are ready to go. All right. You guys can email us at njhit@njhit.com, and that's NJHIIT. And we could get you ready for it. All right. It's been a nice course. And we put a lot of thought into this, guys, so train right, pass the test. It's pass or fail, but you still want to get the best course possible. See you guys soon.